Hello, we have identified that the only IP address in our network is the gateway. Now we need to see if the gateway has some services exposed. For that we're going to use nmap. We're going to start with the simple command of doing nmap to the IP address of our gateway. This will scan by default the 1000 ports most used. So let's see the result. Like this, the command is going to scan all the IP addresses and it will try to identify each one of the open ports and probable services running. But this is not yet enough for us to be able to achieve success. For that, we need to have at least the service version so we can cross-check with well-known vulnerabilities and see if it's exploitable. For that, we're going to add the parameter -sv, and sv stands for service validation. And now when you're going to execute the nmap, you're going to see that the result is totally different. At any time you can press enter and nmap will show you the percentage of done of execution and also the time that he estimates to finish this work. And as you can see, we have already the results here. And as you can see, there is all the version numbers for each single services. This by itself, it's not yet 100% accurate and it's not yet fully detailed. As you can see on Samba, we can only assume it is either Samba 3 or 4, but we don't know exactly what it is. We can still get deeper information on it by including the option -sc, and what -sc is going to do is going to scan for services based on scripts, default scripts that he already has. So if we do it now with -sc, it will take a bit longer, but you'll see a lot more information collected with the interaction from the scripts, from nmap script engine with the exposed services. As I said in the previous scan, if you press enter, you can see the percentage done for each for the scan. It's almost done. Still executing the script scan. And it's done. And here, as you can see, not only identified the service, but he also interacted and tried to connect with well-known users on the FTP server. And he got success because he's saying anonymous FTP login is allowed. On port 80, we got some information that there is a redirect being executed. And on port 139, now we have the detailed version of SMB that is running on the server. And with this, we managed to get all the information that we need to search for exploits. We also see that he interacted with the SMB and also got extra information on the service, namely that he used guests to connect and also that it's a Debian system in a work group that is running.